If you want to search songs on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then we can use circle to search in order to let Google recognize the music for us. If you use 3 buttons for navigation, we can press and hold our finger on the home button. And if you use gestures for navigation, then in that case you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation handle that you have at the bottom of the screen. Once you see circle to search opened, then you can tap on this icon here on this button, and now you can play, sing or hum a song in order to try to get Google search results. So if you don't recognize a song, then you can use this feature in order to search for it. And in addition to that, if you don't want to use circle to search specifically, or if you have it deactivated, I mean, then you can also go to the control center, and over here we can add a similar feature. So we can tap on this pen icon over here on the right side, and then you should be able to scroll down in order to find song search option over here. So we can press and hold our finger and then drag it to the top over here in order to add it to the list of options. So now in the control center we should be able to find somewhere this feature. In my case it is here. So we can tap on it, and now we can once again play the song right next to our phone in order to try to find Google search results. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.